Leather is thick, resistant, and it's difficult to stick a needle into it. However, this material is one of the most fashionable and inspiring to create one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Some hobbyists sew leather by hand or using a regular home sewing machine with a special needle and foot. But if you want to create custom leather products like a pro, it would be wiser to use a sewing machine made with leather in mind. With that being said, stay tuned as we bring you our top 5 best leather sewing machine leather available in the market. Why they need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all of these items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our videos, you can check the link in the description below. And now let's start. Starting at number 5 is the JUKI TL2010Q1 sewing machine. This is the best for a mid-arm sewing machine for leather. This machine offers awesome straight stitching quality. Although there's no zigzag stitching option, which limits the variety of your projects, the model has a long list of advantages. Beginners appreciate that it is easy to set up and operate. This is a mid-arm machine, also excellent for free motion quilting. The smart microcomputer controlled speed control allows sewing through a tough material in low or high speed. You can set speed from 200 to 1500 stitches per minute or choose any speed in between. If you are into precision sewing and quilting, this is a must-have feature. The presser foot pressure adjustment sets the amount of pressure that the presser foot exerts on the material. To switch between multiple levels of heavy fabric and lightweight pieces of cloth, you need to vary the pressure, so this feature will be extremely useful. If you are looking for a portable lightweight sewing machine, the JUKI TL2010Q may be not an option. The weight of this model is 25.4 pounds, which some of the users feel is hefty. Others, on the contrary, consider this as an advantage while working with heavy and large pieces of cloth. The JUKI TL2010Q is excellent for sewing leather and quilting, thanks to the high performance, smart speed control, and presser foot pressure adjustment. At number 4 is the TECHSEW 2700 sewing machine. This is an industrial sewing machine made for professional sewing of light to medium thick leather items. The model is feature rich. It provides the smart servo motor with speed control and 10.5 inches cylinder bed. The cylinder bed is a space below the sewing needle that allows sewing bags, shoes, wallets, and other small items easily. The machine is durable, fast, quiet, and can sew up to 3 to 8 inches thick leather. In their reviews, the beginners often mention TLG laser guide. It is a very helpful feature that provides a perfectly straight laser guided line right in front of the needle. Even a newbie can sew right along the laser guided line and get an accurate perfect seam. The motor has automatic needle positioning that lifts the needle right in the end of a seam and puts it in the bottom position. This feature will make your sewing faster and more comfortable. When it comes to pro leather sewing machines, the TECHSEW 2700 is one of the best choices thanks to 3 dedicated features it has. The first is the motor giving great piercing power. The second feature is the compound walking foot feeding mechanism that makes feeding the thick and bulky materials easier. And the third is the cylinder bed that allows you to sew into hard to reach areas. So what do you think of our first 2 choices? Well, we have more to come, but before we proceed, would like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then click the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 sewing machine. This is a true workhorse when it comes to performance. The motor provides great piercing power, and the machine makes thick seams easily and fast. Maximum sewing speed is 1100 stitches per minute. If you want to move carefully, you can slow it down. The Singer company is famous all over the world by smart design and outstanding quality of sewing machines. With more than 150 years of success, the Singer deeply knows how to surprise and satisfy even experienced sewers. The Singer 4423 Heavy Duty has literally everything that is required for sewing leather and other thick fabrics like canvas or denim. The machine offers 23 built-in stitches including stretch, decorative, basic, and buttonhole stitches. The automatic needle threader helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle. The machine comes with a lot of sewing accessories. Included are the button sewing foot, zipper foot, all-purpose foot, quilting guide, and many others. The Singer company offers extra accessories for leather sewing. The most popular choice is the specialty even feed walking presser that makes sewing a breeze. This feature is especially helpful in working with real leather that is pricier than the faux one. The walking foot has its own feed dog that works in combination with the machine regular feed dog. Together they grip the leather and produce the most accurate seaming. We always look forward to seeing what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our last two products. At number 2 is the Brother ST371 HD sewing machine. This model is mentioned in many reviews as low budget but good enough sewing machines for leather and other thick materials. The heavy-duty machine is designed to handle continuous hours of work. Novices appreciate the ease of use and simplified manipulation. If you want to start your home business with little money, this machine is the right choice. It can tackle a wide variety of material weight and thicknesses from denim to satin. The machine is durable and portable. It includes a built-in handle that allows you to transport it wherever you want. The product has 37 built-in utility and decorative stitches for zipper insertion, stretch stitches, blind hems and buttonholes. According to reviews we found, most of the beginners are completely satisfied with this model, yet some of the accomplished users think that on stretch and thin fabric, the machine performs not so well. For sewing leather, it is better to use the Brother ST371 HD with a specialty non-stick foot for smoother fabric feeding. With it, the material goes through machine easily and does not move. This will protect you from spoiling the fabric. And now JANOME HD 3000 is our top recommended sewing machine for leather. The JANOME machine is made by a famous Japanese company that has more than 90-year history of success in sewing machine building. Accomplished sewers often say that leather sewing machines are not designed to look fancy, but this heavy-duty model looks nice. The powerful but easy-to-use device has many useful features. All of the 19 built-in utility and decorative stitches are listed on the upper part of the machine, so it is easy to choose one for your project. The JANOME HD 3000 delivers enough power to stitch through tough materials including thick leather. In reviews, people have nothing to complain except for rare problems with the vertical spool stem. According to some users, sometimes the stem doesn't produce consistent tension on the bobbin, which causes troubles while winding. At the same time, many users found that threading and winding the bobbin of the HD 3000 is very easy even for novices. The machine is great for sewing leather items. It has an extra high foot lift and foot pressure adjustment. The JANOME company offers specialized needles and the Ultra Glide foot for passionate leather sewers who want to turn every seam into perfection. The foot is made from resin that allows smoothly moving across faux leather and other sticky surfaces, and there you have it, the top 5 best sewing machine for leather. Whichever one you choose to get based on your needs and preferences. We hope you found our list helpful. If you can't something you like, just check out the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Also, let us know if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see in an upcoming video. Write your comments and suggestions and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping a bell icon, and to become part of the growing online community, subscribe to our channel. By doing so you get the chance to watch even more videos. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching the Women's Corner channel.